It's really funny how the smallest ritual can make an entire trip feel so different. Traveling alone is kind of my thing. Since I was 19 years old, I started traveling alone around the world, especially in Europe, but also in the US, for example. And whenever I go on a solo trip, I love to sleep in hostels. Before booking a hostel for your holidays, you need to understand and to know what it really is, because it could be sometimes different from what you could expect. When you go to a hostel, you go there because, first of all, it's cheap. Most of the time, it's well located. And then because you want to meet people. If you don't want to meet people, if you don't want to be sleeping with other people, even if you have like a private room in a hostel, I did it a couple times. You need to understand that you will be meeting a lot of people in your room or in the living rooms and common areas from the hostels. So sleeping in hostels when I go solo traveling is one of my favorite things. It's part of my rituals. I also love to book some apartments sometimes and stuff, but when you're in a hostel, you know you're gonna have like an unforgettable trip because you'll meet beautiful people, you'll have the chance to talk with a lot of people, some people coming from anywhere in the world, and that's how you can like make good friends or just make good discussions or good relationship with people. Most of the time, I have to say, hostels are pretty good. Like, you can find great places in city centers. They sometimes have like wonderful breakfasts. You can have very nice time during lunchtime and dinner time. So yeah, hostels could be great, but you have to understand that you're gonna meet a lot of people and you have to be open-minded. There's a second ritual I started to make in my different trips. Even though when I'm not traveling alone, when I'm traveling with my girlfriend, for example, I started involving this ritual too. Do you remember those cheap throwaway cameras we used to have in the 90s? Well, I used to buy those for my last trips because it allows you to, first of all, get great souvenirs from where you go, great pictures, even though you don't know what you're really taking. Like, when you take those cameras, when you take the pictures, first of all, you have like a limit of pictures you can take with it. Most of the time it's between 20 and 30 pictures. And so it forces you to only take pictures that will have an impact and that will make you like a great souvenir or great memories. It forces you to know what you want to do. Like, for example, you're not gonna shoot anything like you could do with your phone because you have like an unlimited storage. No, you have to think about what you want to get as a souvenir and as memories. Most of the time when I like pull the trigger on the camera, I always think like, yeah, do I want to see this in my travel book that I will make? Do I want to print this picture, or do I want to like get a souvenir of this view or of this building or of these people? So it's a great way, and the most interesting thing I think is that once you took the picture, you don't necessarily remember what you took with it, because like, when you take 30 pictures that there are then developed a couple weeks later, you don't even remember what you took with the camera. So it's just a great way to remember what you did during your trip and to rediscover all the pictures you took during your trip. So yeah, a throwaway camera is definitely a good purchase for a trip if you want. I know it's not eco-friendly, but I love it. And the second ritual I follow every time I go on a trip, most of the time what I do is schedule daily activities. I'm not talking like about having something planned every hour, but like knowing what you're gonna do on the morning and then on the afternoon, and then what you're gonna have for dinner, for example. But I also like to have like nothing planned ahead for a couple days because it forces you to venture out in a country or in a city that you don't know about. So yeah, it's a great thing too, planning your trip, but also having some moments where you don't have anything planned so that you can just like, be yourself and follow the movement, follow what people are doing in the city, and probably meet people and asking for advices. So yeah, these 3 rituals, I suggest you to try them. Probably they will just like, I don't know, improve your travel experiences. You could tell me about in the comments if you like the video, and if you can relate, just tell me in the comment. And you can also follow the channel if you want to support me and support my thoughts and ideas and experiences. Through this channel I try to share as much things as I can with you. So yeah, just hit the subscribe button and see you later.